I just had the most horrible dream.
The place where you get nailed. This is Ricky and I'm fabulous.
Hey, 我问你一下，你的是你自己弄的吗
Hello, welcome to Nail Me.
Welcome to Nail Me.
我跟你讲哦
Ricky, tell Kenny.
快点啊！你帮我看一下我的腿好不好？我真的头死了，整天慢吞吞的，
Kenny, you have customers.
And he said no. And then 对啊 ，And then 我也不知道，and so 我就问说，OK， 那你就 sit down，OK，sit down， 你就坐下来，我们先谈一谈，还是对啊，还是 go，I don't know。Shit.
Are you okay?
Okay. Think I pulled a hammy. Trick me. Whew.
Here you go.
Thanks.
Are you okay? I think I sprained my ankle. Oh, God. Just go and save yourself. Okay. Hey!
Oh, they look really nice. I really like the color. I love your color.
I know, look at that color. Look at
It
that.
is
It's just a
very
little
nice.
darker.
I mean, this is a little bit brighter.
But it's
but-
okay. You guys have the same color.
What a great
Thank
cut.
you.
Thank you
We
so much.
loved
We
it.
love it.
So great.
So
Here
great.
you go.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. I really think this is the best manicure I've ever had.
You know, you should really look into anger management and take better care of your cuticles. How can I stay mad at you? Pooh Bear.